Every single chicken gets quality checked before it even enters the line.
The flow looks consistent on line 4. All green passes so far.
Copy that, looks good. Now comes the part everyone asks about, how we get those perfect KFC style pieces. Watch this. Every piece is cut and weighed to exact standards. That's the secret to even cooking. "11 herbs and spices." And no, I can't tell you what they are. Even I don't know the full recipe. This is where the magic happens. The legendary double breading process that creates that famous crunch. See those ridges? Every single bump becomes a crispy golden crunch in the fryer. This is hand finished, just like the original recipe. Pressure frying, the original Colonel's method. It locks in the juice while making the outside incredibly crispy. Listen to that crunch. Crispy outside, juicy inside. every single time. Every batch, triple checked. Nothing leaves this factory unless it's perfect. Oh man, that smells incredible.
Here it comes.
Oh, look at that.
I want that piece.
It looks delicious. This is the crispiest chicken I've ever had. You can tell it's made fresh. The crunch, the juiciness, 10 out of 10.
I've been eating fried chicken for 50 years, and after seeing how they make it, I appreciate it even more. Clean factory, real process, real flavor. Best bucket in America.
And that's how raw chicken becomes the world's Cremar factory to your table. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more Zing factory tours. See you next time.